Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the first video of the new series, which is Python Crash Course. In this video, we cover data types of the Pythons like numeric data types. So let's get started coding. Here I give the brief intro of the data types, which we cover in the next videos, upcoming videos. Now start with the data type numeric. Let's do some addition like 1 plus 1, 2. Let's do some multiplication. Now do some division. As we get, these are the integer type and these are the float type. As you use the type function to get the type of the variable, it is float. Now do some more operations like power of the 2. Now do some modulus operations like this. Now do some more. 2 divided by 5 and get 1 as a remainder. Now do some operation with parenthesis. Now comes to the variable assignment. In Python, we do not define a data types. It will automatically assign when we assign the value to it. If we assign float value, it will be a float data type. And if you assign a value which is integer, it will be an integer data type. Like we define a is equals to 5. It's and now print the A. Now get the type of the A. It is int. Now define a variable with float type like this. Now print it. Here we get the value. Now get the type function to get the type of the B variable. It is float. We also have complex type in Python. It is similar to the complex number which we study in mathematics. Now define a complex type. We also convert integer into float and float into integer or float into complex number. Let's see how we convert a one type to the another, how we convert one type to the another type. Now get the type of the A. It is int. Now we need to convert it into the float type. So use float. And now we want to wrap it into the type function to get the type of this, and now it has float type. Now to convert a float type into an integer, we simply use int function. As B is our float type. Now type of now get the type of B. It is int. Now we need to convert this B variable into a complex type. For this, we just pass the complex function and pass B as a variable. Now print the C, and we also give two variables in the complex function like B here we get the complex type. Now comes to the boolean type in Python. Like K, like B greater than A. Let's see what's the output, false. And we also wrap it into the variable like this. Now print bool type, bool variable. And now use type function to get the type of this variable. And if we want to get the integer value of this bool variable, we simply use int function to get the integer of this value, which is 0. Now give some more example like this. Now wrap it again in the integer type. It is 1. As bool true is value is 1 and bool false value is 0. As false defined by 0 and true defined by 1. That's it for this video. Hope you like this video, and if this video helps you, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and make sure to hit the bell icon so you don't miss my any interesting video. Thank you.